These are the setup instructions for the mark and cutting equipment, twist tie and pusher. This is for part number 20086. I want to start by looking at the panel. In the panel here, we will use what's called the novice operation. The novice operation, when we press this button, will take us through a series of sheets that we don't have to worry too much about, but we're going to press next until we get to raise drive roller. We press that, that's going to allow us to put the material into the machine. Prior to that, we want to make sure that we've got the reel on the holder and that the material is coming from the bottom up and it's going through the eyelet. We will then insert it over here on this side of the equipment. All right, then we will open and it's going to be fed through. There are 2 points that have to be looked at here. We'll get some closer pictures of this, but the hose has to go inside that black tube. It can miss the hose, the tube. Then it's going to go underneath this roller, and again it could potentially miss. So we have to ensure that it makes it all the way through. Once it's through, we close the equipment down. We will press back because it's in an alarm mode, and then we will go through next, 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 and here's our settings. The number of cuts we're going to use is 30. 30 is the size of bags that will go into a bin. We call that a pitch. The length for the 20086 is 192 inches, which is 8 feet. We've set the speed at 40 and the unit here is in inches. We will then press this and now we will start and it will begin its feed. The first feed, it will cut a small piece, which is okay, and that's only done after the original setup. So now I'm going to press the start and it's going to start feeding into the bowl. We want to confirm that it is sliding all the way down and not riding up the bowl. There will be some further instructions on how we maintain the bowl, and there's a slight lubricant that is used to keep it. It will automatically stop at 192 inches. At that time, it is paused. This allows us to pull it out and to grasp it firmly by hand because we don't want it to expand, bringing the tops together into a very firm position like this. We would then, before we go to the next station, press the resume button, and while we're processing this part, it will feed another part.